All right, so now let's check out some of the tools in email marketing, wherein I'll give you the demonstration of second tool. We will go through two tools. With one is HubSpot email, and the second one is Mailchimp. HubSpot email is a powerful tool for managing marketing and transactional emails within the HubSpot ecosystem. Here is a breakdown of its key features. So, HubSpot is a marketing tool, or we can say it's a email tool that helps us create all such things. But then we need to make sure that the key features that we are going through further should include all the aspects that we have learned earlier, right? So the important key features that a HubSpot tool is having: number one, email creation and customization. So there is a drag and drop editor for designing visually appealing emails. Uh, it will have a lot of pre-built beautiful templates for newsletters, promotions, and automated sequences. It consists of personalization tokens to tailor emails based on the contact details. We can do email automations and workflows. We can set up automated email sequences for lead nurturing, for customer engagement. Similarly, we can trigger emails based on user actions such as form submissions or website visits. We can do contact management and segmentations. It allows you to organize contacts into lists based on behavior, demographics, or engagement. It send targeted emails to specific audience segments for better conversion rates. So most of the email marketing tools will have these kind of features, right? Performance tracking and analytics is very important aspect for any tool. It also has performance tracking tools. It can monitor open rates, it can monitor click-through rates, it can monitor engagement metrics. We can do A/B testing to optimize subject lines, content, and send times. It is compliant and provide you proper deliverability. Now, built-in tools to ensure emails comply with GDPR and can spam regulations, because uh, you as a user might receive a lot of spams. So email marketing tools should comply with GDPR and can spam regulations to remove all those spammy messages and emails. Email authentication features like DKIM and SPF to improve delivery as well, right? So HubSpot key features are this. Now we will see the Mailchimp. Let's break down the key features, and then we will see the dashboard of a Mailchimp interface, right? So Mailchimp is an email marketing platform that helps business create, send, and track email campaigns. It again has drag and drop editor and designing emails. It also has the same. It might be having different templates, or newsletters, promotionals, and automated sequences. It can do personalization for tailor-based emails on the basis of the segmentations. Now it organizes contact into lists behaved on based on behavior, demographics, or engagement. Advanced segmentation we can have in this for targeted email campaigns. Uh, it also has automation and workflows. Um, Again, it has analytics and reportings features. It also integrates with different e-commerce platforms. like Shopify, WooCommerce, HubSpot, sync customer data for personalized email marketing, right? So we need to make sure that we use these features, these key features in this particular software. Let me show you the dashboard, how it looks like. So this is how the dashboard of Mailchimp looks like. So as you might be knowing that Mailchimp has been owned by Intuit. Intuit is a giant marketing firm, right? And it has a lot of tools wherein it has acquired Mailchimp uh, before 4 to 5 years back, right? And uh, let me show you some of the aspects, some of the tools, some of the things that we did in email, or we can say Mailchimp. So under campaigns, you can create a new campaign. So while creating a new campaign, we need to make sure that we should we should follow a proper, you know, automation, or we can design a regular email, right? What is the requirement? As per the requirement, we can go ahead with the further things. So let's say I am creating a regular email, right? It asks you how do you want to design your email. Do you want to make it from scratch? Do you want to, have a basic layout? Do you want a fully designed template? So for a marketer like me, let's say I want to create something from the scratch, we can do that. But then let me show you how a fully designed template looks like. So here you can see how some of the templates looks like in Mailchimp. We can definitely customize these emails as well, right? So let's say if we want to invite someone to certain events, we can select some themes from here. If we want to sell any service, we can select the templates from here. If you want to put any thank you message, thank you emails, we can even, have all these templates in our bucket, right? Just wanted to show you the templates. We can even have a basic layout. We can have your own templates, and you can even code your own, right? So if you know coding, you can create an email through proper coding as well. How beautiful is it, isn't it? So let's say if I want to do something from the scratch, let's click on this. And it will give you complete details like these. We can add up our logo, we can change the logo, we can add up here, let's say by having some heading, right? We can type here something like, hey, how are you doing? Right? We can add certain image, right? So we can do such kind of activities, or we can put some message here, right? So depends on what kind of emails, what kind of template you want. We can design each and everything from here, right? So we need to make sure that we have a proper template, or we can create from the scratch. All right, so let's see the next part. So under this, we have, suppose I am done with the design, right? I'm done with the message that we are, sending towards our recipients. And then we need to make sure which email ID, I mean, first you need to integrate the email ID with, the inbox that from which you want to shoot the email, right? We need to give certain good subject line from here, right? We can get to see the preview text, and then we can put the content, we can edit the design at any point of time, and then after all these things, we can add the socials, right? And then we can do, we have this option of finish later, create A/B testing, and send option, right? So this is how you create the campaigns in Mailchimp. So I'll show you, we have done some of the marketing campaigns earlier, right? From where we have received a good response. You can see we have generated clicks, we have generated visits, signups as per the users that are there. We have already, successfully made sure that we have, sent the emails, and we have received a proper open rate, and then we have received a click-through rate percentage. It will show you the percentage of number of opens and then clicks, right? We can do the segmentation part uh, in this as well. Then we have automations. We can create drip campaigns using this automation, right? So I won't be taking you these things. You can explore yourself, right? Probably in the advanced level, we will be talking about all these things, but we did that, right? We have audiences, we can create segments, right, according to our requirements. We can create surveys, right? So we can even check out the inboxes, what all messages that they are, reverting us back. We can even have all the analytics over here, and under this analytics, under report section, under customer report section. Even we can create a proper landing page using Mailchimp, right? So Mailchimp will definitely give you the different templates for website and landing pages, right? So this is how the dashboard and other things looks like, right? So this shows you the marketing dashboard, performance, revenues, and everything you can see. So I have used a very, this particular account I have used in very less, but other accounts I have used it very frequently. So moving forward, now I would like to give you some real world examples and email marketing success stories, right? So you might have, I don't know how many of you use Netflix, but Netflix is doing an amazing email marketing campaign by sending you, content driven emails tailored to your history. So let's say I prefer to see horror and thriller movies or horror and thriller content on Netflix. So Netflix will send me recommendations of movies or content of the same genre, right? So Netflix engages the customer in this way that, hey, next week some of your best, some of your content which you love to see is releasing. Would you like to see it? Right. Similarly, Airbnb does this email marketing, in a very strategized way. So Airbnb is nothing but a company which you might be knowing that it provides you stay, and it provides you a good. It specifically targets the travelers, right? And it makes sure that as a user or as a traveler, we get a proper experience of a travel or the destination that we are choosing, right? So Airbnb utilizes personalized travel recommendation based on user preference and past trips, right? Similarly, there is a company named Dollar Shave Club, known for humorous, engaging, welcome emails that quickly build brand affinity. And giving one more example is like Zomato and Swiggy, right? They are one of the best players in the market who are doing some amazing email campaigns. So common email marketing mistakes we everyone needs to avoid, right? So first of all, we should not buy email list, right? Buying an email list will hamper your open rate, your conversion level, and reduces the deliverability drastically. So we need to make sure that we build the list. We should not buy the list, right? Next is ignoring mobile optimization leads to poor user experience and loss of potential engagement. So we need to make sure that, again, anything, let's say if it is a website or a email, we need to make sure that the email is properly mobile optimized, just like a website. Not segmenting the users can hurt your business, right? So sending generic emails results in low open and click rates. Therefore, again, it will affect the conversion rate. Forgetting clear CTAs. So we marketers tend to forget some of the other aspects, very important aspects. But in email specifically, if we forget to put CTA buttons, that would be the major mistake in any email. I have seen a lot of times that email, marketers used to forget this particular thing. But mark my word, if you are forgetting the call to action buttons, then you won't be running. You are not an email marketer first at the first place. Then secondly, if you misses out on CTS, you will definitely missing out the business, right? So missed opportunities for conversions when call to actions are unclear or buried. We need to make sure that we place CTS button, but again, the CTS should be placed very strategically. Neglecting performance tracking. Without data, our campaigns are like blind, right? So we need to make sure that we should not miss out on continuous optimization chances, but then we should also look upon the data, upon the campaigns that we are running. Call to action. What kind of call to action we can get you start your email marketing journey today could be a call to action, right? So we can do a recap of things while putting a call to action. Now, what we have learned till now, start your email marketing journey today, because social media can wait. If you are not building email list, you are losing, right? Because social media platforms can disappear overnight, which happened with TikTok in India, right? So we need to make sure that we build a email list soon. If not, then as a marketer, you are the biggest loser. So in this module, we have done, we have learned master list segmentation, design, automation, tracking, and tools selection for superior campaigns, right? Also, we have gone through the resources, download checklist, and customize email templates to kickstart your email marketing efforts, right? We can offer, I mean, there are tools which can offer free trials. You can go through the Mailchimp, Hubspot, and others today. So Mailchimp, there is certain aspect wherein you'll get Mailchimp for free. You can check out the feature. Uh, Engage, ask questions, and join discussions to deepen your understanding and apply strategies effectively. So these are the advanced email marketing techniques, right? We need to make sure that we are putting up dynamic content wherein personalized emails based on real-time user data to boost relevance and engagement. So there are a lot of tools in the market, not just Mailchimp. There are uh, marketing tools which are paid, and from that we can segment the customers accordingly, and then we can send the messages accordingly, emails accordingly. So, interactive emails use AMP technology and gamification to create engaging, clickable email experiences. AI powered personalization, so leverage machine learning to predict customer behavior and tailor content effectively. GDPR and privacy compliance, we need to make sure that we use authentic tools and we go along with the ethical practices in email marketing by not purchasing the email list. We should build the list, right? Customer journey is very, very important. So it's important as a marketer that we, do a customer journey mapping. We design tailored email sequences that guide recipients through their unique buying journey. So, with this, I would like to end my session on email marketing. I hope you have understood each and every point properly, and let's see you in the next module. Thank you.